To write the name for CrOH3, first we need to recognize this OH when it's bonded to a metal. This is called the hydroxide ion. It's a polyatomic ion. We actually have 3 of these hydroxide ions bonded to the Cr, to the chromium. Since we have a metal in this group of nonmetals here in the polyatomic ion, this is an ionic compound. We're going to use these rules here to write the name for CrOH3. First, we write the name of the metal. That's Cr, which is chromium. Then we write the name for the polyatomic ion. So we have our OH bonded to a metal, that's hydroxide. So at this point for CrOH3, we're calling it chromium hydroxide. But Cr, chromium, that's a transition metal. It can have different charges depending what it's bonded to. Here, it's bonded to these 3 hydroxide ions. Each hydroxide ion, the whole thing, has a 1- ionic charge. So 3 times 1-, that's 3-. The chromium has to be 3+ to have a net charge of 0. So to show that, we're going to put a Roman numeral 3 between, and the name for CrOH3 is chromium 3 hydroxide. If you were given this name, you'd know that the chromium has a 3+ ionic charge because we have the Roman numeral 3. Then you'd need 3 of these hydroxide ions, which are 1-, for the whole thing to have a net charge of 0. This is Dr. B with the name for CrOH3, chromium 3 hydroxide. Thanks for watching.